Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a super important topic in analytics, that is customer churn analysis using SQL. As you can see, it is question number 23 of American Express Data Analyst interview question series for beginner to 3 years of experience. And this question is all about how do we analyze the customer attrition or customer drop off rate using SQL. And if you are into data analytics, this is one concept you will know coming back to, especially if you're working with customer focused businesses like bank, telecom, SaaS, that is sales as a service, or any e-commerce sector. So what is exactly a churn, or you can say customer attrition? Like, customer attrition means the number of customer who stop doing business with a company over a period of time. For example, 100 people had Netflix subscription last month, and this month 10 have cancelled their subscription. Then the attrition rate is 10%. Simple. Now let's create a mini dataset and analyze the customer attrition using SQL. Let's minimize this. So as you can see, I have already made the create data query and insert into query for this, and this is the table. So like you can see in my screen, we have created a customers table with basic field like ID, name, sign up date, last active date, and whether they are still active or not. That is, we have given true and false. True means they are active, false means they are not active. So we have inserted 5 sample customer data. The is active column help us know who is still using our service and who is not using our service. So let's write the SQL query to find out the customer attrition rate. So as usual, we will start with select. We will count the total customer. So count, either you can do customer ID as customer total, or you can say like this, total customer. It would be a good thing. Total customer rate, this would be our first column. And now the main thing is we will use the case when scenario. So some case when, we will use the is active column right now. Is active equal to false, right, because we have to find the attrition rate, and is active is false means the customer is not active in like today's scenario or today data update. So it will be, then we will give a scenario. If it is false, it will be 1, else 0. Else 0 means if it is true, it will show 0, right? It is simple as that, just like if else statement. We will say attrition customer, right? Simple as that. We will say attrition customer, not we won't give that much big name out there. Right now we will find the I would say percentage, because in this question they have also asked the percentage. So we will do a round of scenario here. Round, in round we have to just write round, and we have to give a comma, and then how much, decimal units we need in the output, we have to write that. So to find the percentage, we have to multiply with 100 into the same thing which we have written here. Only one two new thing has been added, this 100 multiplication and round. So sum case when is active equal to false, then 1, else 0, and we will end, right? And as I have told you, in this round we have to give two data, right? And as we are finding percentage, so we have to give one more thing, like we have to divide it by the count of total customers. Means out of total customers, how many have left the service, that is false. So count customer id, that's it, then comma 2, and we close the bracket here, and we have to give like what we say, attrition rate percentage. We give a alias attrition, attrition rate percentage. Simple as that. Not much, not lots and lots of queries, just 3 to 4 lines of queries is required. And you have to write from the table name customers. So in this query, what we want in output, we want the total customer, number of customer who have like drop off from the service, and the attrition rate in percentage. So let's run this query and see what we get in the output. See, we have found easily like total customer 5, 3 have left the service, and it is 60%. Simple as that. And this show like how many users have done the attrition for the given data. So if you found this helpful, please click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, as well as click on the bell icon for more practical SQL and data analysis tips and tricks, as well as interview questions in my upcoming videos. So next up, we will analyze the attrition rate and how to build the cohort analysis using SQL. So see you in next video with a new question of interview series for American Express. So till then, bye bye, take care, and happy coding.